Hello my sweeties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Paulette and I upload twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays. I upload a little bit of everything: mom life, unboxing, fashion, beauty, you name it, I got it. So make sure you subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscribe button, and make sure you turn on the notifications to get notified every time I upload. Alright, so today we have FabFitFun, which I know I'm a little late, but don't worry, I will compensate with some spoiler alerts. So I got the lowdown on the spoilers, and customizations are already open for some members. However, if you are patiently waiting and want to know what to get, then keep on watching. So if you're not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a lifestyle subscription, and let me tell you, it is one of those subscriptions that I currently have. I don't have any other subscriptions at the moment. Every now and then I have Ipsy, but this is the one that I feel like it's a keeper because it has a little bit of makeup, accessories, lifestyle for your home, a little bit of everything. So I feel like this one is the best subscription box, hands down. And let me tell you, I have tried various subscriptions, and if you want to see my past subscriptions from Allure, Julep, BoxyCharm, Ipsy, then I will put the playlist up there and check it out. But hands down, this is my favorite, my ultimate favorite. Alright, so let's get started. So FabFitFun always has a little magazine, which I love to look through, and this one has a lot of information on the items that are included in your box. And this little chica is Eva Longoria. So they teamed up with her, and she has her own foundation. So some of the proceeds go to her foundation. So yes, so this has a lot of cool things such as more information, tips, articles, little Q&A of Eva Longoria, and a couple of other stories, and just a fun magazine to look at. And so this is just a fun little magazine to browse through. Alright, so moving on to the first items. Alright, so then we always have the Hello Fresh, which I know I have not tried it, but I do live in AZ, and my hubby told me to just hold off on this and to try it when it cools down, otherwise our food is gonna go spoiled. So I'll be waiting on this come, I don't know, fall. So stay tuned for that. So next we have a little fun code for gifting. So I'll be gifting this to one of my amigas. And so let's get started. So I hear a lot about Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, which I've heard a lot of good things. I anticipated that it smelled like mandarin, orange or something, but it doesn't smell like that. I have been using it ever since I got it. It does not smell like orange. It smells like vanilla, which I can't be mad at that. And it is very hydrating. I am almost halfway through my little tub. I think it's gonna go for like a month already, so it's a good usage. And I might be purchasing the bigger tub because I feel like it did hydrate my skin, and I really like it. It doesn't feel very greasy at all. So I've been trying this out for a month already. So this is Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and it also came with the Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel, which I have not used. And the Bum Bum, as the Brazilians do all, the all-over body cream is infused with guarana extract for radiant skin, while the shower cream gel deeply cleanses without stripping skin of its natural oils. So I have yet to try the shower gel, but I'm thinking is probably as good as the other product that is by them. And I'm going to be smelling it because I smell things all the time. Yeah, it also smells like the Brazilian Bum Bum, like vanilla, which I'm not a huge fan, but I don't mind it. But if you're a huge fan of vanilla, this is probably your go-to. So these two retail at $160, and again the box is $49.99. However, If I have a coupon code, I will display it on the screen and put it on the description box so you can save either $10 or $20. So yes, so you're already getting your money's worth. So if you like a good deal, then you're gonna like this box. Alright, so moving on with the next item, it is an exfoliating foot mask, which I am all about that, especially for sandal season. Nobody wants some ashy feet. So yes, this one is smooths and softens and intense hydration. So I am excited to try it because sometimes my feet may look a little rough. So this is going to be the trick. I do use some other, I think it's Gold Bond, the lotion, especially for the feet. And I do try to exfoliate and do all kinds of stuff. But maybe this would be my go-to. And so this is this, oh look, it exfoliates, it polishes, and it soothes and smooths. So I'm excited to try this. I haven't used a foot mask ever before. I think it might be the same as exfoliating the way I currently do, which I use the facial scrub to exfoliate my feet because it has little beads. So that's how I do it. But this one was designed specifically for your feet, so I'm excited about that. The exfoliating feet mask retails at $32. Again, I will display all the product retail values on the screen and give you a total towards the end. So yes. So that is our other item. And then we have Generation Clay, which is a brightening purple clay mask. And it sounds really cool that it's purple. And this refines, brightens, illuminates your skin. And clay is packed with Davidson plum. The purple mask works to rejuvenate dual skin and boost hydration. It is retail at $39. So if you have dual skin, you might want to try this clay mask. So I'm excited to try that because sometimes during the summer and even the winter, my skin tends to get dry. So let's see how this thing works. The next item in the box, it is called Invisi Baubles, and it comes with 6 little, like, they look like old school phone wires, all like coiled, and they're supposed to keep your ponytail intact from keeping your hair getting, you know, torn, or keeping those little ponytail trace marks. So if you want to take it down, you don't have those indents. So this is what's supposed to help. And I did get 2 of them in my glossy box, All I Want. If you want to check that video out, I will put it up here so you can watch it. And it was their advent calendar from 2018 glossy box, All I Want. So go check it out. So that one actually retails at $16. Okay, so the next item in the box is Makeup Setting Spray by COOLA. And this one has SPF 30. So I think that was what intrigued me to get this one, because it already has some protection from the sun. So basically, after you put on your makeup, just spray some and you're good to go. You don't have to worry so much about the sun burning your skin because you have a protective layer. And I'm so excited to have this because honestly, I do not put sunscreen on my face too much because I feel like it's too greasy and it doesn't let my makeup sit well. Like, I know I shouldn't choose makeup over sunscreen, but I do it. I do feel like this would be a great solution for that. Retails at $36. So this one retails at $36, and I feel like I'm going to get a lot of use of it because right now it is hot. I live in an AC. The sun is really burning when you go outside. So this is going to definitely protect my face. It's also a spray. It's a rose spray. It's a hydrating rose facial spray, which I'm assuming is a toner, face toner, which I'm currently using rose with charcoal face toner, and I do like it. I found that one at Ross, so I do want to keep if I run out of that one, I do want to keep using the rose water toner, because I feel like those are the best. Oh, look at this. So pink, so pretty, so rosy. And this one is by Grace and Stella. It's $29.95. If you're feeling like your skin's a little bit dull and it's a little pick-me-up, then this is a good option. Just spray a little and you're good to go. You're feeling fresh and ready to take on the day. We're almost done. Don't worry, guys. Thank you for hanging on. The other one is by Zeuner Jewelry. Hopefully I am pronouncing that right. And if I'm not, I'm sorry about that. But it is a necklace, which I did choose. And this one is like a cute little golden heart. So pretty. I feel like lately when it comes to jewelry, I feel like I'm very minimalistic. As you can see, my earrings, they're tiny. So I feel like this is definitely something that I would personally wear. So I like it. That one actually retails at $50. So again, $4.99. All these items are pretty expensive. So if you've been wanting to try any, like, I don't know, high-end stuff, or you just want a little splurge, a little treat yourself, then this is probably something that you might want to consider. So I do like that jewelry. And last but not least, this mystery item. I have no clue what it is. So we're going to find out together. All I know is Grown Alchemist. It's a hand cream in vanilla orange peel. Interesting. I think I have tried this brand before. So I'm excited to try this hand cream because sometimes I feel like my hands are a bit dry. And it comes in a little foil thing, which kind of reminds me of the hair dye tube, which I don't know if that's a good thing. But, oh, it smells like vanilla. So yeah, definitely a box full of vanilla scented stuff, which I would have preferred something much fresher, like fresh flowers, something citrusy. I like those perfumes better, those scents. Oh, I could smell the orange now. So it first smells like vanilla and then it smells like orange, which I love the smell of orange. So definitely going to be putting this on my purse because I feel like sometimes when I'm on the go and you know, you're on the go and then all of a sudden you look at your hands and they're a little dry, just put some hand cream and you're good to go. So yeah, actually I forgot one item, which is this gorgeous tote, which I have been using. I've used it when I went to the pool and I'm gonna keep using it because we're gonna go to the beach. So it's a good size tote to keep your towel, to keep all the stuff that you need, to keep your towels, to keep your sunscreen, glasses, all the kind of stuff that you need for the beach. So I do like it. This one retails at $50 and it is 100% cotton and it is by Summer and Rose, which I feel like they nailed it on the design. It's not too dramatic. It is simple but yet pretty nice. So I do like it. And the ropes are not like so like rough because some ropes can be a little rough. This one's soft. So I do like it. So yeah, so this was the last item in my box. Alright, for your first option, all subscribers are able to choose from a plush ultra soft plaid scarf, or an Amica Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler, or an Anthropology Travel Yoga Mat. Unfortunately, they took out the Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit, which I was so looking forward to it. I'm so bummed out that they took it out. So your second choice is the Kate Spade New York Lunch Tote, the Nasi MD Detox Pad, or the cut from the cloth slim stripe wallet, or last but not least the twine cheese board with plate. For customization 3, you get to choose the Better Skin Co. Skin Lava Magic, or the Bubble Bark Ear Crawlers, or the Cosmetic Pure C Vitamin C mixed in crystals. If you're an annual subscriber, then you get to choose customization number 4, which is the April Dual Salt and Pepper Mill, After Spa Hair Towel Wrap, or the Trestique Mini Eye Essential Set of 4, or the Skin Volve Body Boost Gel. So this is only for annual subscribers. And again, for an annual subscriber, you get to customize number 5, which is the Aroma Therapy Associate Deep Relax Roller Ball, the Wonder Beauty
Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask, set of 6, or the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner. So again, this is only for annual subscribers. You get to choose a customization 5.
Alright, so the whole box retails at $370 with 95 cents, which is pretty awesome because the box is $49.99, which again, it is a quarterly box, which means you don't get it every month. You only get it 4 times a year, which is the spring box, the summer, the fall, and the winter, which I think is really good. And again, if I find a coupon code, I will display it on the screen for you to save some money. Alright, so let me know in the comments below which items you're going to be choosing this fall now that you've seen my sneak peeks.
Hi, Mommy.
Hello. So if you don't like surprises, just go ahead and go choose your items before customizations are closed. And you can also do add-ons, which means you pay a little bit more, but you can add more to your box. So it's like Christmas in July, like they say. You like those? Yeah, so you can put these on your hair for your ponytail. Yes, yes, we can do it. Alright, well, we hope you enjoyed our unboxing, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and a heart for you, and make sure to subscribe to our channel to become part of the Sweet Squad family.
Did you tell them what's a surprise?
What surprise? So what was the surprise?
Us.
There's a surprise. Alright, so we hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and again, if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe.
Oh, Violet is making a
And we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.